And welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to guide you through how to use Lazypay's customer support. The first thing you must do is identify your issue before contacting customer support. You must have a clear understanding of the problem or the question you have. Next, choose a contact method. Lazypay offers customer support primarily through phone and email, so you can contact them via phone. If you want to contact them via phone, dial the customer care number, which is 022 698 21111. So you can also call during their operating hours, that is Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Follow any automated prompts to reach relevant departments. Then you can clearly explain your issues to the customer service representative that you end up speaking with. You can also contact them via email. How? Compose a new email, send your email to wecare@lazypay.in for support queries. Then for complaints, you can email them at info@payu.in. In the email, provide a detailed description of your issue, including any relevant transaction details or account information. Then you send the email. Don't forget to provide necessary information like I said earlier. It's as simple as that. Now, in case you're wondering, it may include your registered mobile number, transaction ID, or other account specifics that you have to provide. If your issue is not resolved during the initial contact, note down any reference numbers provided and follow up as instructed by the support team. Hope you found this video helpful.